guide and guide for this whole trip. Captain Antonis takes us to a small island on the west coast, Lazareta. As soon as we get there, I will dive for you under the boat and feed the fish on the sea bottom so that you can all look from the glass and take some nice photos. Of course, if you don't, you have a mask down there and it's up in the bottom. Even better. On the way back now from Lazareta, as we enter the boat, the captain will slow the engines, sail us throughout it. I will then tell you the history of the city throughout the centuries and explain all the main buildings surround us. A really interesting story. For now, just enjoy the ride, the spectacular view around us. If you have any questions of any kind at any time of the trip, please feel free.
I don't know, we'll see. I can't swim late.
You are the only swimmer.
I can't swim
Oh my god, guys, it's very beautiful. And here guys, you can see down the fish. We will see the fish afterwards.
A wonderful view of the city. From the high mountain, but now stands Samariatos, the second longest canyon of Europe. It's up there, the marvel of nature, the best place of Crete.
This is a very nice trip, guys. You know, it's beautiful. Hello guys, we take a boat going to the island, just an hour.
Are the only flat place on that small rocky island, and they used to bring the lepers here as a quarantine place from the rest of the population. At some time in history, the Ottoman Empire attacked the Venetians in Chania. Before the start of this battle, the Ottomans came here, flattered the hospital. In its place now, they assembled the biggest weapon of the time back then, 16th century, the Hungarian bombarda. A huge cannon started firing from the island. The western walls of the old town, which is visible in a straight line, 700 meters away. At the same time, 400 ships surrounded the harbor, and 80,000 troops marched from the west towards the city. Yeah. A big battle. The Ottomans won it. That's why we see many Islamic elements in the city today. We'll say more details when we get to the harbor. From the other side, we see another island, the bigger one. This island is called Agi Theodor or Theodoru, and it is a national park. No one is allowed to step on that island. Only the Cretan goat, the Crete, if you've heard, has this privilege. In Cretan we call it agrimi. It is an animal that only lives here in Crete. Something between a goat and a deer. It is smaller in size than the usual goat, has the colors of a deer, and the male very big horns. Now actually this island is a breeding ground. Back in 1973, the authorities put 7 pairs there to reproduce and survive extinction. Unfortunately today we only spot the Crete only on that island and few of the high peaks on the mountain across. When there are about 100 of them living there, they keep the population small, so they take the older ones who can no longer reproduce in Samaria, the canyon, which is also a national park and protected area. And as I said, in my opinion, by far the best place of Crete, the canyon of Samaria. You see it in the names of the waters. Amongst all the other species you see around you while you hike the canyon down, you also spot 70 endemic species, like the Crete. Animals and plants that only lives and grows here. A magnificent place, somewhere up there. This is the Bay of Nea Hora, the only sandy beach in the city with many fish restaurants. If we now move to the west, we get to Golden Beach over there. A very nice sandy beach, very popular amongst locals. You don't even walk the coastline.
They were them.
Now the swimmers ready. Get a mask to see the fish. You want to see that, trust me.
Why? They come on. Yeah, them here, man.
Jeg tenker meg som gjør.
Oh, too much. So many fish here, guys. See, you can see. Wow, beautiful.
Hold flat. Look my hand. Away from your body. Away. Yes, there. Watch. Watch. No, no. Take it, take it, take it. Take it. No, don't worry, Ella. Come here, come here. Hold the bread and let them bite. Okay?
Ja, einfach nur die Hand ausstrecken.
Just stay there, sir, okay? Don't come closer. To leave space for the fish to stay surface close to me. Hold it. There. Turn your hand flat. And watch.
Ay. So they
Go
eat
further
also,
to the left up
in
there.
Suiza also some flour, huh? Mel,
Take photos.
big photos, yes.
Nice. Wait. Look this in the water. Look, look. Ow! Ow!
Oy, Nay, bite you?
Ah!
Nay!
You are kidding.
Yeah. You do. Flat. Like this. Take it out.
Halt's flach. Man kann es flacher halten.
For the bread, go to the tzatziki.
With the big.
Now. How cool is that?
Oy, so
Come up
nice.
now, 2 steps
Aye.
up. Last photo. Go to the left, push the bread out. They don't see it. They don't see the bread.
Good afternoon, guys. We will go to that. You can see there. We were in the boat, and now we will take a look the other side of Chania. No drinks.